The second ethical violation is it's all about the money. The American Psychiatric Association is indebted to the drug companies. They run it.
Right.
Do you hear me?
Yeah.
We talk about politicians being indebted to the corporations.
Yeah.
Well, the American Psychiatric Association is indebted to the drug companies.
Right.
All of which publicly trade on Wall Street.
Wow.
And they fund the diagnoses.
Wow.
Because they create these medications that need to be sold so they can make dividends for the investors.
Right.
So they go to the APA and say, listen, we got a new medicine, so you got to create a disorder to feed this medicine.
Wow.
How much do they make off ADHD meds a year? $30 billion.
$30 billion?
$30 billion a year.
Shoot, that's the
on
drug game right
childhoods.
there.
It's the drug game. Speaking of that, that's my third issue.
Yeah.
The Drug Enforcement Agency of America classifies Ritalin as a Schedule II drug. Ritalin is in the same category as opium and cocaine. This is the government.
Wow.
Ritalin is in the same category as opium and cocaine. So let me get this right. You got black men going to jail out the wazoo for selling crack, right?
Right.
Most black men in jail are there for nonviolent, drug-related offenses.
Right.
If selling drugs is so bad, if using drugs is so bad, if it's bad enough to send a boy's father to jail, how can it also be good enough to give to his son so he can sit still long enough to learn about Helen Keller, Anne Frank, and Christopher Columbus?
Wow.
If drugs are wrong, drugs are wrong.
Right.
You can't say it's wrong for adults to use them, but we can give them to children so they can get an education.